So how do we install Iris? The best way to do it is to go to Google and then search for the Chrome Web Store. Then go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Iris. Then click on the first extension that pops up. Then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. Iris is busy being added. You can close this little pop-up. The icon disappears. What you can do is you can click on this little puzzle piece. Then you'll see the Iris icon here, the Iris extension here. You click on the pin, and then Iris is now added to your taskbar and is part of your Google Chrome browser. And that's it, simple as